Hi, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your WhatsApp. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to this is window or settings window. We will go down and we will click here on apps. Then we come to apps window here, like you say, we will just go down here to looking for WhatsApp app here and this is window. We will just go down and we will click here on WhatsApp. Then we come to this is window here, like you say, we will click here on for stop. Then we will click here on OK. And you just click here on storage. Then you come to storage window. You will click here on clear cache. Then you will click here on clear data. And you just turn off your phone and turn on it. And it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. And see you in next video about all WhatsApp settings. So see you in next video.